Welcome back to Home Renovation Insights. Today, we're answering the most frequently asked questions about hiring a bathroom remodel contractor in Fairfax, Virginia. Consider this your quick reference guide. Let's start with the question everyone asks first. How much should I expect to pay? Mid-range bathroom remodels in Fairfax typically cost $18,000 to $30,000. Primary bathroom transformations range from $25,000 to $50,000. Luxury renovations can exceed $80,000.
What affects the price?
Bathroom size, materials selected, and whether you're changing the layout. Moving plumbing is expensive. High-end tile versus standard tile makes a big difference. Custom cabinets versus stock cabinets. Always get at least 3 detailed estimates to compare pricing accurately.
How long does a typical bathroom remodel take?
A standard bathroom remodel takes 5 to 8 weeks from design approval to completion. That includes 1 to 2 weeks for design and planning, 3 to 5 weeks for cabinet manufacturing, and 2 to 3 weeks for demolition and installation.
What about smaller bathrooms?
Guest bathrooms may take less time, 4 to 6 weeks. Large master bathrooms with complex layouts may require 8 to 10 weeks. The key is realistic timelines from your contractor.
What licenses should a bathroom contractor have in Virginia?
In Virginia, bathroom remodeling contractors must hold a Class A contractor license issued by the Virginia Board for Contractors. Verify the license is current and in good standing. Contractors should also carry general liability insurance and workers' compensation coverage.
How do you verify that?
Ask for proof of insurance and verify the license number through the state's online database. Don't just take their word. Actually check.
Big question. Should I pay a contractor up front?
Never pay more than 10% upfront. Never. Reputable contractors use milestone-based payment schedules.
What's a typical schedule?
10% at contract signing, 30% at material delivery, 30% at project midpoint, 25% at substantial completion, 5% after final walkthrough. If a contractor demands 50% or more upfront, this is a major red flag.
How do I know if an estimate is accurate?
An accurate estimate includes itemized materials like cabinets, countertops, fixtures, tile, flooring. Detailed labor breakdown by phase. Specific brand and model numbers for products. A clear timeline with milestones. Payment schedule. Permit costs. Warranty information.
What's a bad estimate?
Vague estimates like complete bathroom remodel, $35,000 without details, are unreliable and often lead to cost overruns. If it's not itemized, it's not reliable.
What should I look for in bathroom contractor reviews?
Look for patterns across multiple platforms: Google, Yelp, Houses, Better Business Bureau. Check for consistent praise about communication and responsiveness. On-time and on-budget project completion. Quality of finished work. How contractors handled unexpected problems. Whether customers would hire them again.
What's a good rating?
A 4.6-star average or higher with substantial review volume indicates reliability. 10 reviews isn't enough. 200 reviews averaging 4.7 stars tells you something meaningful.
Do I need permits for a bathroom remodel in Fairfax County?
Yes, most bathroom remodels require permits, especially if you're moving plumbing, updating electrical, or making structural changes. Professional contractors handle all permit applications through the county's PLUS system and coordinate inspections.
What if a contractor says I should pull the permits?
If a contractor asks you to pull permits yourself, this is a red flag. Licensed professionals manage this process. They know the system, they know the codes, and they want inspections because it validates their work quality.
Let's recap the key numbers. Never pay more than 10% upfront. Get at least 3 detailed estimates. Look for 4.6-star reviews or higher. Expect 5 to 8 weeks for completion. Mid-range remodels cost $18,000 to $30,000.
And the key verifications: Class A contractor license in Virginia, general liability insurance, workers' compensation coverage, all verified through official channels.
If you have more questions about bathroom remodeling in Fairfax, Reston, Vienna, or Northern Virginia, check our show notes for additional resources and links.
Thanks for joining us on Home Renovation Insights. These FAQs give you the foundation for making informed decisions. Until next time, renovate smart.